They put a lot of lipstick here and they used to eat like this. Someone cannot speak slowly. We let them eat these minerals and they speak just like drinking local wine. Hello. Then I add beef bongsa inside the cooker, and I add garlic, ginger, then wild coriander leaf, then I'll add salt, water, and cook until it cook it. The meat is already cooked, so I'm gonna fry it again with garlic, ginger, onion, turmeric powder, salt, a little bit chili powder, and chili powder again, local chili powder, and adding the meat and adding wild coriander leaf. Wow, it smells so good. My mouth is watering. Now it's ready to eat. Smells so good. How to cook beef in simple way. This is it. Let's get started eating. Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is Funny Baite, and today we're gonna have beef fries. My mouth is watering. Oh, beef heart develop lungs develop result, and this is boiled menal stinky beans. Stinky beans, I guess. Cucumber, wild coriander, mustard oil, and this is tangkongche. Bang penny kitiam kepa. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is it. Kita bang. And nangata kaji buman sticky rice wrapping in bamboo leaf. Okay. Man, got dry man. This is the entrees. Salt. Without salt, I can't live. Let's get started. No, pan ka to nito. Kinh hả? Ngon phải với cô. Họ bộ gum rồi. Kinh hả? Thì thế nào? I love to eat this. You know why? Stinky beans here can haveผัดสมได้เราด้วย It helps in constipation and heartburn, blood clotting. Chặt đây bắn áp bắn này. Em phải một này rồi. Then this menal. In our local dialect we call it menals. When someone cannot speak fluently, we let them eat these minerals and they speak just like drinking local wine. Buka. I had this part. I don't want to eat this part. Only this side. In English, we call this mustard. If you don't know English. And in our local dialect, oh sorry. We call this uncums. Why so yummy? I don't know. This non wala. Very yummy. I can't express the yumminess. Sorry, I love eating stinky bean because no one wanna stay here with me. You know why? Because the smell is so yummy. Okay. This is kangkung siya. Penny bang em kapa? Penny quite cucumber. Local cucumber. I get them how I don't know why I like my cooking so much. I don't want to eat others cook. And coming next week, 24, it's my birthday. If I can find cake, I will cut cake myself and have it. I'm not gonna call anyone. I don't have money. I miss my family, but I cannot go. This lockdown blocked me. I want to go to our village. I'm not the real mukbanger, but I love cooking. But some of you say that at your cooking pots, at your eating pot. So I'm just adding this all. I love cooking, but I hate eating. Try this one. Tung. Oh, sorry. This sticky rice is so yummy. Can't stop eating. Whenever I go to the market, I can buy it because I like it. It's so sticky and sweet, and the sticky part is very sticky. And when we eat them, very tasty again. That is why I'm very buying happening whenever I go to the market. See, it's so sticky. Aman talo mo lalo tilo. While eating this, I don't think you will get a pretty face. While eating, woman, don't let your boyfriend or girlfriend see, because it's very messy time, you know. Our face is very messy. Okay. Am I cute?
What?
That is why don't let your girlfriend or boyfriend see while you are eating buman sticky rice, okay? I got still one, but if I add this, the video will be too long, so I'm gonna stop it here. As some of you say that you can eat many amount of food and meat, so I left these two pieces without eating. That's so that this so that I am not good in eating, okay? Still got this soup. Don't forget to wish me on my birthday. Some girls, when they eat something, they put a lot of lipstick here and they used to eat like this. And they take a tissue. They continue it again. Or ba yan? Is it day now? That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, give it a thumbs up, and please comment, share, and subscribe. What's up? What else? Nothing else. Bye.